Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can post story on Instagram from PC. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for instagram.com. Make sure that you are using Chrome browser as it will be easy to follow along. Now go to the three dots menu at top right corner of your screen. Click on More Tools and select Developer Tools. Now go to the mobile and PC icon at the top of the Open tab and click on it. If you reload the page, you will see that the screen has been turned into that of a mobile device. Here, click on your profile icon and start by selecting Media. Select the picture or video, and after editing it, click on Add to your Story button. And that's how you can post story on Instagram from PC. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.